Now moving towards the second method, that is using the pop method. So the basic thing is the same, that is we are creating a function named swap, passing the three parameters list, position 1 and the position 2. Now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to pop out those elements position 1 and the position 2 and store them in the first and then in the second variable respectively. After that, I'm inserting those elements in the position 1 of the second element of our list and in the position 2, which is our first element in that particular space, and I'm returning the list over there. As you can see it over here, I have passed 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5 elements in our list, and I want to change the position of the second element with respect to the fourth element. As you can see, the second element gets shifted with the fourth element.